whole front row. Oh, so pretty. Sounds like a horror film.
Yeah. How I am taking this wreath from Walmart and just adding a couple little things to it to make it look a little bit fuller and a little bit more interesting. So all of this stuff is from Walmart. This was like a $15 wreath. These were all like 99-98 cent little picks. Oh, we got a truck driving by. And then I just made this bow out of some wired ribbon from Walmart as well. That was like $5. So overall, you can make it look like a little bit more expensive wreath with just a lot of basic things. Like I said, these things are all from Walmart. So I'm just going to show you guys how I'm adding these pieces in, and then we will show you the final result of the winter porch decor. So let's go ahead and jump into that. Okay. So basically I'm going to start with these little like lamb's ear sprigs, and I'm just going to put these kind of every, you know, little direction here. I'm just wrapping them around for now. Once I figure out exactly where I want them, I will probably hot glue them, but right now I'm just going to kind of place them where there's some more sparse areas. Bend the existing branches around them a little bit to hide that wire. Let's put this guy right here. Macy. Okay. So there's those. And then these little antlers I thought were cute. I am not an antler girl. I am not like, I don't hunt, I don't do any of that, but I thought they were cute and they added a little bit of texture. So these I'm just going to kind of stick in random places in between the wire of the wreath. And then I'm going to bend those a little bit. So these are just really subtle, add a little more interest just because they stick out a little bit more. Let's do one. So those ones will definitely need to be glued down as a final little touch. And then I'm actually going to hang this on the door so I can figure out my bow placement. Okay, so then I'm just going to find a good spot for this ribbon and we will be done. Super easy. It might not have been a huge difference, but it's just an easy way to add some interest to like a more inexpensive wreath. There it is. So as you can see, just kind of added some nice touches, brought out a little bit more color because there is a lot of flocking on this, and then the antlers add a nice little touch. And then this bow I actually got because I do have a little buffalo check doormat that will be going down, which you guys will see in a second. So I just wanted to tie that in together, and that is a little simple DIY for you guys. Really easy, inexpensive, just an easy way to kind of add some interest to a more inexpensive wreath. Okay, so here is everything completed. Very simple, but much cleaner. So, went over this wreath, everything in there is from Walmart. Down here to the rug, so the like grass, I forget what that material is called, but the brown rug is from Walmart as well. The buffalo check rug is from Hobby Lobby. I ended up getting that one for like $10. I think it was like $15, $16, and then with the 40% off coupon on Amazon they have the same ones for like $12. So if you just want to order one on Amazon, that's also a great option, but I could not find anything like that anywhere else, so definitely check out either Hobby Lobby or Amazon. Then this little arrangement, big arrangement, is from Costco. I just picked that up today. That was $30, and they are real trees, or it is a real tree and then real pine branches. These are fake here, and then that's a real birch branch. Then I have these lanterns, which I got from Menards earlier in the fall. I need to change the batteries, but they do actually light up. It's just that they drain battery really fast, so I use them more as like just a cute decoration. And then this rocking chair I just keep out here all year round. That is from Home Depot. I got that last year. So that is everything out here, guys, all ready for winter. Pretty soon this very well may be covered in snow. We'll see. But yeah, super fun putting that together. Like I said, very simple, easy to find pieces. Definitely achievable. I will link things below if I can. If I can find like the wreath, the things on there. Obviously Hobby Lobby usually can't link stuff, but I will try to link a similar rug from Amazon. And then the Walmart stuff I will try to link, and I'll try to link like some similar lanterns as well. Okay, so that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it. It was super fun just putting together these couple little pieces. Kept it very simple, but I definitely had a look that I wanted to go for, especially with the bow and the doormat. So give this video a like and subscribe for more Vlogmas videos. This has been so fun so far, so hopefully you guys stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.